Whole grain muffins are a fantastic homemade alternative to traditional bakery treats, offering a healthier take on a classic breakfast or snack option. Packed with fiber, whole grains, and a variety of nutrients, they provide a more balanced approach to fueling your body compared to store-bought muffins, which can be loaded with refined flour, sugar, and unhealthy fats. By making them at home, you have control over the ingredients, ensuring that you're not only nourishing your body, but also avoiding unnecessary additives and preservatives. One of the key benefits of whole grain muffins is the use of oats and other whole grains as the base. Whole grains are rich in fiber, which helps support healthy digestion, regulate blood sugar levels, and keep you feeling fuller for longer. This makes whole grain muffins an excellent choice for stabilizing energy levels and preventing the mid-morning energy crash that often follows sugary breakfast foods. Fiber also plays a crucial role in heart health by helping to lower cholesterol and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. In addition to the whole grains, many whole grain muffin recipes incorporate fruit and nuts, which offer added vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. Fruits like bananas, apples, berries, or even dried fruit provide natural sweetness and antioxidants, helping to boost your immune system and fight oxidative stress. Nuts such as walnuts, almonds, or flax seeds contribute healthy fats, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for brain health, reducing inflammation and promoting heart health. These ingredients also add texture and depth of flavor, making each bite a satisfying combination of tastes and nutrients. The versatility of whole grain muffins is another standout feature. You can easily customize them to suit your preferences and dietary needs. If you prefer a lower sugar option, you can substitute honey or maple syrup for refined sugars. For a boost of protein, you can add Greek yogurt, eggs, or plant-based protein powder to the batter. You can also experiment with different fruits, such as blueberries or raspberries, or incorporate seeds like chia or sunflower for an additional nutrient boost. The possibilities are endless, allowing you to create a muffin that fits seamlessly into your daily routine. Another significant advantage of whole grain muffins is their convenience. They can be made in advance, making them an ideal option for meal prepping or having a ready-to-go snack. Once baked, they can be stored in an airtight container for several days or frozen for longer storage. This makes them perfect for busy mornings when you need a quick breakfast or an on-the-go snack to carry throughout the day. Having a batch of these muffins on hand ensures you always have a healthy option available when hunger strikes. However, while whole grain muffins are certainly healthier than their refined counterparts, it's important to be mindful of portion sizes and overall calorie content. Even though they contain nutritious ingredients, they can still be calorie-dense, especially if made with higher amounts of nuts, oils, or sweeteners. If you're trying to manage your weight or calorie intake, it's helpful to keep an eye on portion sizes and enjoy them in moderation. Another thing to consider is that some store-bought or pre-packaged whole grain muffins may still contain hidden sugars or artificial ingredients. For the healthiest option, making them from scratch with whole food ingredients is the way to go, as it ensures that you're getting the full benefits of the wholesome ingredients you choose. While whole grain muffins are a healthier alternative to sugary bakery treats, it's important to remember that they are best enjoyed as part of a balanced diet. Pairing them with a protein source, like Greek yogurt or a hard-boiled egg, can help make the meal even more satisfying and nutritionally complete. With the right combination of ingredients, whole grain muffins can be a delicious, filling, and nutritious addition to your morning routine or an easy snack for later in the day. In summary, whole grain muffins offer a wholesome, customizable, and convenient breakfast or snack option. They are rich in fiber, healthy fats, and antioxidants, and by making them yourself, you can ensure they are free from unnecessary additives and preservatives. While they should be enjoyed in moderation, they make for an excellent addition to a balanced diet, offering lasting energy, nourishment, and a satisfying taste.